y'all doing? This is Louise.
Hi.
That's all I heard before. So today we're gonna do a cat bob. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it, how to style it, how to cut it, all of that. Hey y'all, what's up? So first, in doing a cat bob, you want to braid the hair down. Now the braids don't have to be too much, but still flat. Then oil your scalp so that your scalp will not get dry and your hair will grow. You can use peppermint oil, wild hair growth oil, black castor oil. Massage that hair, massage that oil inside the scalp, y'all. That's what's gonna make your hair grow. And then you want to sew two cat bobs, what that thing called, two black caps on your hair, but you want to have like basically sew it like around the perimeter, and this is going to allow for your hair to be protected. You do not have to use all that grease and stuff that you see people use. No, you don't have to use that. So it's time to glue them tracks in. So what you want to do is you want to put the glue on the track, not on the hair. If some get on the hair, that's okay. Put the glue on the track, and you would just go from one side to the other side. Press firmly until the glue melts inside the cap. And then after you do that, you want to blow dry. I didn't blow dry as I went, but you can blow, because when you do this for a little while, you get used to it. So you get used to the flow of how long it takes to dry. But blow dry, it helps the process go fast. And then you cut flat iron the track if you want it to be flatter. I do that right around the crown area because I want it to be nice and flat. No Humpty Dumpties like I see a lot of you girls out here with the Humpty Dumpties. We don't do that. So but if you follow the step by step, it will look nice. If you don't, then I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, y'all, take your time, use your heat protectant, your hair serum, get the hair nice and silky, nice and smooth. Use your mousse. Yes, I use it on her hair. That's what you see is coming up, but it lays that hair. When you press it out, it just lays super silky and super flat. I don't want to talk too much, but y'all, I love how I do hair. You know, I use that round brush. Press that root out. Press that root out. Brush that hair out. Use that hot comb, y'all. Yep, the hot comb. If your hair if you don't feel that comb on your scalp, whoever doing your hair ain't doing it right. And then you want to press that leave out like you never, like you know how you fry that chicken. You want to press that leave out how you fry chicken, but use some heat protectant. Okay, we don't want no damage hair now. Ooh, when I see that steam, I know that hair getting silky. Ooh, stop playing with me. Stop playing with my hands though. Like, who really out here doing, I'm gonna keep saying this, who really out here doing like this, can slay a weave like this, can slay some braids like this, can slay a frontal, lace closure. Like, it's really God's blessed. Like, y'all see the slays coming together. Ooh, the color. Now, with the color, let me tell y'all, because I know a lot of you all love to tussle. I got the color individually at the hair store. They sell little tracks of color, and they sell it, I forgot how much they sell it for, but do not come at my neck talking about, oh my god, I want my hair colored. No, literally, buy the hair that's colored and I can install it. But I do it in a way, as y'all can see in the front, where you can see it's like the color look layered. But yeah, I will be coloring soon, but I'll keep y'all posted. So now when you cut, you grab each section. You can split the sections more, but I grab each section and basically trim. You know what I'm saying? You just want to trim it like straight. Now it's time to do the swoop the loop, the swoopity swoop. So you do it how you want it. I make sure I press the edges out, add a little holding spray, and then use a little product. I like the She Is Bomb. That gets the hair super laid. Some people like they swoop soft, but I feel like this lasts longer. That soft swoop y'all be doing and y'all be asking me to do, I feel like it don't last. I feel like when you do this lasts a little longer. So yeah, she gotta hold the air because you don't want to burn. You don't want to burn that air out. Now and you see how late it looks. Like, we did our big one. And I'ma always do my big one when you get in this chair, when you get in this Roshan Miracles chair. Like, stop playing with me. I'm really that bull. You spray a little shine spray at the top. Don't spray too much. You want it to be all oily and crazy. Just a little at the top to get a little shine going on. And you see, I'm always gonna pat their hair. I'm gonna pat it like Patti LaBelle. Pat, pat. And y'all see their hair all smooth, all silky. Ooh, that bounce, that color. Ooh, it's just giving me life. Like, who really slaying it like this, y'all? It's giving Hollywood. It's giving red carpet, Met Gala. It's giving your mama can never, your auntie, your cousin. She can never, because she should have had book, and she should have book a class. Class is coming soon. Stop playing with me. I'ma stop talking. I just want to try to see this slay. Remember talking.
Like, seriously.
When I get them slaying my clients here, I just be amazed. Like, how in the heck did I did that? It really be God for me. Y'all see that? Y'all see that soup?
I don't think they ready. I'm not ready. They ready. Don't look at. Don't look at. Okay. Okay. I don't think they ready. Let's get it again. Turn to the other side, this side. This side. Mm-hmm. And then come to the front. What I say? Are you ready to look? Or look. Look.
I look 18. Where is this me?
Look at it.
Talk to me now.
Look in the mirror.
Wait, there's color.
You see the color?
It's like peekaboo.
We only had 2 colors. We did about like 4 or 5. Y'all see that? Yeah. This is the Roshan. This is why y'all need a book, okay? Because we do stuff that y'all never have thought of. And it's the peekaboo. Like, she look too cute. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta put it all the way up because, like, I just need y'all to see it. Like, it's just too late. They call me B.O.B. because they calling me Bob.
Like, you hear
because she known for the Bob.
It's the pink, the blue, purple.
You see? Like, look at that.
What?
Look at that. It's too cute. Like.
And then my hair's right here.
Right.
It will be. I'm done.
Yeah, stop playing.
I'm going somewhere.
Period. But y'all see it though. Stop playing. And then, y'all, her hair is right. It's like right there. So I wanted to cut it a little short, but I'm like, you know what? This is a good look. You get what I'm saying?
I love it.
Because her hair was like right here. It's like a long bob. Like nice for the summer, you know.
Right my shoulder.
Yeah. So book this look, lady. Stop playing. Yes, we gotta take some pictures. We gotta take some videos. Like. All right, turn around. Yeah, let's do this. Hey, like flirt with the camera. Do they got that bounce? Boom, do they got that bounce? Boom, do they got that bounce? That bounce. I'm cracking up. Yes, y'all see it, ladies. Book your appointments and YouTube video coming soon. And she'll be posting pictures soon. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. We got a lot of videos for y'all to watch, period. It's free game, y'all, free game. We teaching y'all how to slay, period. Upcoming stylists, make sure you watch. Okay, stylists, make sure y'all watch, because you know the clients be talking. Y'all gotta do better, okay? Y'all gotta slay. Look at this, slay. Period. And this is her hair, y'all. No weave, her hair. Laid. Period. And then come back to the front.
Yeah.
Good. Let me see.
That's you kicking a bob like me.
Period.
I like you don't gotta see my face.
Period. Y'all don't have
Like.
Just